Put it down. Put it up. Idiot. That was hell on earth. I'm going home in a minute. That's taken me a full day just to drill that through. I've killed this. Killed this. I killed this. I had to bore out with this. And I nearly killed that. But it's done, so it's ready to go for the next bit. Now it's time to start on the faces. Not this face though. This is for that guy. This Hardox. That's why it says it there. I was going to use carbon steel, but I think Hardox will be enough for this hammer. I feel like carbon steel is just a bit OTT, and heat treating it would be a pain in the bum hole. So let's go cut this and square it up. Now that's a decent looking sandwich. Got one of these chucked up in the lathe. As you can see with your eyes, obviously. Just need to face this off, chamfer the edges so I can dig it, and then same with this. And then make sure they're both the same length. Ooh, I wish we were all the same length. It made me look the same. Hot nipples. So for this, I was just gonna put the mesh around in this gap. But what I've decided I'm gonna do is frame each corner and then mesh in between. And it'll give it stability, obviously, like pillars in a, not in your bed, in like a mausoleum, like in Roman stuff, you know, Roman pillars. So I'm gonna do that now. Watch me do one, and then just imagine that I did four. Yeah. Now let's stick some welds on there so it doesn't just fall to bits. So now it is time to plan this guy out. So I'm just going to lay it on there, mark it out, cut it out, and I'll do one piece at a time because obviously there'll be slight variations in it. And I want it to be centerized. That's definitely a word. So just watch me do that because that's why you're here, I guess. It's a video. So obviously I lied and said I was going to do one at a time, but then I decided that if I overshoot it, they'll all fit anyway. See you in a bit. I'd obviously just watch me do this, maybe. Now let's go clean it up. I just made this wedge. I didn't film it because I just cut it and sanded it. Oh, you come here for this. The obvious bluing. I can't even get it right. The gluing montage. Let's go. I can smell your wax. Oi, oi, oh boy, do you want a hand there? Why do you eat something harder than a watermelon?